gonna punch you straight into space. So, nice to meet you, Mr. Slimer. Gotta go fast. Hello, Mr. Snake. Would you mind... Oh, thank you. Hello there, Mr. Puzzle. Hi there. I'm Batman. How does he do that voice for so long?
In the meantime, it's Splish Splash time. It's Splish Splash. That would be fun if you're using your Splish Splash for bath time. Oh, it's nearly time for your bath. It's bath time now. Really? Oh, great. I sure will be able to do. It's a scrubbing brush for a bathtub. I like being in a bathtub. Oh, sure. I like the way you do. Wash myself in the bathtub. In the bathtub. Oh, that's great manners. Well, I like the way you do in the bathtub. Oh, that is fantastic. Looks like Splish Splash is so much fun.
The answer's right in front of you. The Flying Dutchman's gone to Neptune's gala to get revenge on King Neptune. Duh! Because this place actually isn't a dump.
Oh boy, it's bath time. Actually, I was wondering if you can see that in the bath, that would be so incredibly away from our ears. Sure. It sounds like it's bath time. I should think so. It's Splish Splash. Well, just about in the meantime, it's time to do the Splish Splash. I like being in the Splish Splash before. Splish Splash is so much fun. Well, I like to hear Splish Splash before, but I don't seem to know where. Sure. Well, no rush. I like to be in the Splish Splash before. Oh, isn't that perfect to be a Splish Splash here?
Splish Splash, I was taking a bath. Long about a Saturday night. Rub-a-dub, just relaxing in the tub. Thinking everything was alright. Well, I stepped out of the tub, put my feet on the floor. I wrapped the towel around me and I opened the door. And then a Splish Splash, I jumped back in the bath. Oh, how was I to know there was a party going on? There was a splishing and a splashing, feeling with the feeling, moving and a grooving, rocking and a rolling. Yeah! Bing bang, I saw the whole gang dancing on my living room rug. Yeah! Flip flop, they were doing the bop. All the teens had the dancing bug. There was Lollipop with a Pegasus. You got it, Mr. Molly was even there too. With a Splish Splash, I forgot about the bath. I went and put my dancing shoes on.